Navigation is an art or science of conducting one's vessel from one place to another in a short and safest way or route. Today we are going to discuss about the difference of longitude. So we have here difference of longitude. So of course difference of longitude is associated from itself. So the difference between two longitude. Now take note that the difference of longitude is in short called DLO. So please do not be confused of that once you have encountered that one on board. Now before we start, I need you to have this graphical illustration in your mind because we are going to use this one as we have our examples. So without understanding this one, you will not be able to be familiar or to even understand my examples later. So we have here the prime meridian, the 0 degrees, and on its right side we have the eastern arc or eastern part, and on its left side we have the western arc. So both arcs from the prime meridian has 180 degrees because longitude both east and west is only limited to 180 degrees. There's no such thing as 181 when it comes to longitude. So only 180. So we have here the green arrow, the bended arrow, which is going on the clockwise direction. Now when the direction from the difference of the longitude is easterly, it means that it is going on a clockwise direction. And when the direction of the difference of longitude turns westerly, it means that just like the blue one, the blue bended arrow, it is going on counter-clockwise direction. So both of these sides from the meridian has 180 degrees, and in combination of course we have 360 degrees. So let's go directly to the examples that I am talking so that we will be able to understand what is the difference of the longitude. So we have here a ship sails from a port in longitude 110 degrees, 45 minutes west to a port in longitude 072 degrees, 27 minutes west. Of course, we must find the difference of the longitude. So as you can see, 110 degrees is more than 072 degrees. The value is more than. So it means that you are going on an easterly direction. So both came from the western arc from the meridian. It means that both came from the left side of the prime meridian. So in order for us to obtain the value of the difference of longitude, we must subtract. Okay. So we have here 038 degrees 18 minutes. And as I have mentioned, easterly. Why easterly? So we have this diagram. So as I have discussed this one, of course, if you do not have this one in your mind, of course, you will not be able to understand the rest of the So we have 0 and 5 degrees as the longitude of departure, and you are going to arrive at 25 degrees 55 minutes east. So it means that you are going on an easterly direction because you are going on a clockwise manner or direction. Next, we have a vessel from 164 degrees 20 minutes east bound to place in longitude 102 degrees 20 minutes east. So what is the difference of the longitude? Okay, so you came from 164 degrees, both coming from the or both located at the eastern side of the meridian or the right side of the meridian. So we have here 164, you are going 164 to 102. So the value of the longitude of arrival is lesser than the value of the longitude of departure. So it means you are going on the opposite direction. What I mean to say is you are going on the westerly direction. Okay, so 062 degrees 00 minutes westerly. Okay, so we have this one. So you are from 164, then you are going 102. So you have their counter clockwise direction. Next, we have find the difference of longitude 045 degrees 15 minutes east to 015 degrees 04 minutes west. So the difference between this from the previous examples that we have is that this one uh, came from the different sides of the meridian, one from the east and one from the west. So the longitude of departure is from the east and you are going towards the west. So you just need to add these two because it came from the different sides of the meridian or prime meridian. Okay, so you just need to add these two, and of course the direction will be on the westerly direction. Okay, so let's have the diagram. So you have 045 degrees from the right side of the meridian, and you have 015 degrees from the left side of the meridian. Okay, so as the problem says, you are going east to west, so it means that the direction is westerly. Okay, so you just need to analyze. So the angle between the two is, of course, you need to add. Okay, so that would be the difference of the longitude. Next, we have a vessel sails from a place longitude 172 degrees 46 minutes west to a place longitude 174 degrees 10 minutes east. Find the difference of the longitude. Okay, so in this case, we have the same as the previous example that we have both are coming from the different sides of the prime meridian. But the only thing is, it is near towards the end, which is 180. As we define navigation is an art or science of conducting one's vessel from one place to another in a short and safest way of route. So we are going to have the shortest one. Okay? We are not going to have the longest. We need to find the shortest. We are going to add these two in order for us to obtain the difference of the longitude. So we have 346 degrees, while adding this one 346 degrees easterly. Okay, this one is considered as the difference of the longitude as well, no? But this one is the longest, no? So if we are going to have the true meaning of navigation, which is the shortest, we are going to stick to that. So of course we need to have the shortest one. Okay, so the remaining angle, no? The remaining angle between 346 to 360 degrees is only 13 degrees 04 minutes. And of course, we have the opposite direction, which is westerly. Okay, so we have 172 degrees, 46 minutes west, going to 174 degrees 10 minutes east. Both arcs from the sides of the prime meridian has 180 degrees. So it means that the combination of the two is a circle, and we have 360 degrees. Okay. So if we have this example, so we should get the value of the remaining angle in order for us to obtain the shortest track. Okay. So instead of going on an easterly direction, which is like this, okay, so on a clockwise manner, you are going to have the opposite, which is the westerly direction, so that you will be having the shortest track. So that would be all.